Hey everybody, this is a real quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on a Dreame Robot Vacuum. Most all of the models are exactly the same and it's very easy to do. If you're having any issues with the robot not connecting to your app, or if it's not working, or if it's moving erratically, it won't charge, any kind of issues like this, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues and it's very easy to do. All you need to do is you're going to pull it off its base so it's not connected to the power, and then you're just going to open the top. And under the top, you'll notice that you have your Wi-Fi indicator light here. And then right here, you have this little circle with this little thing here. You'll just need a little pin or a paper clip or one of those Mac SIM card remover pins. And you're just going to push and hold it, push it in that little hole, and push and hold for approximately 10 seconds. And then once you hold it for 10 seconds, you can release, and the robot will reset to its factory default settings, and then you can set it up again.